Welcome. This is how to fix add payment method grayed out on iPhone. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue, what you could try to do is just simply go ahead and go to the settings into your device. Now, over here, you could just simply go ahead and go to your profile at the top. Now, over here, you could just simply go for media and purchases. So go ahead and tap on that. And from here, select view account. Now, from here, just simply go ahead and go for the country slash region. So guys, by changing your region, this should fix the payment method grayed out on your iPhone. So try to go for a different region near you and should be able to fix the issue. Another option that you have is you could just simply go ahead and go back to your profile. And now over here, go for the family. Now here on the family, if you have this turned on, just make sure to turn off family sharing. And mostly this fixes the issue by just simply turning it off. There you go. If you found this video helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below. And we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.